Now AI on the modern devices are really impacting the performance as it need high resources to perform all the tasks. Even if you have never once clicked that colorful Copilot button or ask an AI to write an email for you, Windows 11 is likely charging you a silent AI tax. To make this artificial intelligence feature feel instantaneous and snappy, Microsoft preloads several heavy background processes the moment your computer boot up. These components sit in your RAM, consuming precious gigabyte of memory and forcing your processor to work harder, which ultimately lead to a slower, hotter and less efficient PC. So if you're also not using this Copilot that is on your taskbar, even in the system tray icon, in the start menu, in the Microsoft Edge and even on the Paint, and even if you don't want to use any of the AI feature on Windows 11, then today in this video guys, I will be showing you step by step the easiest way to disable all the AI feature on your Windows 11, and doing so you will be also improving the performance of your Windows 11 PC and laptop. Alright, so bring up any of your browser and you will have to search for remove Windows 11 AI. And once you hit the enter key, you will be getting this first website of GitHub. Remove Windows AI. Even I will leave the direct link in the description. Click on it. And here you can read all the detail like what exactly this feature will be doing, like disabling the Copilot, recall, Copilot in Edge, image creator in Paint, AI fabric service, AI action, AI in Paint. All these options are being given here. Alright, now in order to download, you have to scroll down a bit, and where it says launch with UI, just copy this code and then bring up the PowerShell. So look for PowerShell and start as administrator and paste the command you copied here, making a right click and just hit the enter key. And this will immediately bring up this kind of dashboard of the remove Windows AI. And it's a very neat and simple dashboard that you can easily check and operate. And the best part is all the options are being given, and on the very right of it you will see the question mark that will let you know that what exactly this feature will be doing. Like disabling the registry keys, Copilot policies, remove AI file, remove recall, task, everything is being given. So let's say if you want to check the disable registry key, so click on the question mark and it says disable Copilot and recall through the registry modification, so that when the next time you update your Windows, they should not automatically be enabled. And the same way you can read all the information about all the feature. Now at the bottom you will find two more options, the revert mode and the backup mode. And this is very important. If you enable the backup mode and in future if you want to revert the action, then you can easily do that. So it's really recommended that go ahead and enable the backup mode, and in future if you want to revert the action, then you have to come to the same application and choose the revert mode. Alright, so I will enable the backup mode and then I will keep all these options selected. In case if you want to uncheck any one of them, you can do that, but I will just check all these AI options. Once done, you will have to just click on apply, and the next page it will give you to create a restore point. So just go ahead and type any restore point name. I will type removing AI and click on create. And once created, click on close and the work will now be started. It's saying executing, disable the registry keys. It will take a bit of time. Then it says remove AI app packages. So you will have to wait until all the work is being completed. And once it will be done, it says AI removal process completed successfully. Would you like to restart the computer? So just go ahead and click on yes. And once the computer will be restarted, let me show you. The Copilot has been disappeared from the taskbar. I don't find here, even not in the system tray icon. And if I bring up the Edge, the Copilot has been disappeared from here. And even if you go to the Paint section, the Copilot will exist here, but if you click on it, instead of the 3 AI feature, only 2 AI feature will exist. And if you want to completely remove the Copilot from the Paint, then you will have to uninstall this Paint and install the classic Paint one. Okay, so I will leave that link in the description in case if you want the classic Paint option. So now as you have completely remove the AI feature from Windows 11, you got rid of many problems and even the performance will be boosted. That's all guys for today, and hopefully you enjoyed the video and found this informative. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.